Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. This is another episode of best reasonably priced fragrances for men. In this series I'm trying to introduce or basically remind you and bring to your attention fragrances that are not in the radar, but they are gorgeous in terms of smell and they perform quite well. And the best bit is they are absolutely value for money. So the ratio of the price to the fragrance is absolutely the maximum. So you get the best buck for your money. Okay. So in this episode, I'm going to talk about a very underrated fragrance from 1980s. I think it's 84 came out, and this is Bowling Green by Geoffrey Beene. So this is a 120 ml bottle. It is the EDT version. This one is again reformulated. The original one was Super Beast. This one is about 6 to 8 hours on your skin, which is still good. But the best price, the best bit of this is the price. Today in UK you can buy this under £15 for 120 ml, and the smell is divine. This is a classic. Obviously it's quite green, it's mossy, it's a little bit of spiciness, a little bit of herbalness. Is packed with citruses, especially the citrus is quite big in this, and the smell is divine. This is maximum versatility. You can rock it any time of the year, heat, in the cold. You can rock it formal, informal. You can rock it any day, any time, and any age. I would say 25 and up to be on the safe side, because again this is a quite classic smell. But to me this is a 10 out of 10 fragrance. Is absolute gorgeousness. To me this is beautiful, beautifully done, is the perfumery to perfection. And I tell you what, the bad news is this has been discontinued, unfortunately. It is still available widely, almost everywhere. Especially if you basically Google it, it will come up. Grab it while you can, because this gem, when it goes, I'm telling you, people will remember it as a beautiful discontinued fragrance that they are absolutely regretting why they didn't purchase it at the time. So if you like that genre, if you like the basically a little bit of sweetness, tons of citruses, a little bit green basically notes, and in the dry down it's quite woody, and a bit of spiciness, a bit of herbalness. This is an absolute gem. I highly recommend this one. What else? I think I covered everything. So guys, I'm trying to keep these videos as short as possible, to basically, it's like a soundbite. Okay, so guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let me know. But if you haven't, please go and do it before it disappears from the market. Thank you very much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.